Today I'm going to compare 3 brunettes from the City Collection by Belle Tress. Right now they have a very limited brunette color palette available. This video will help you decide which one is for you. So let's start our comparison with what I'm wearing here. This is Laguna Beach in the color Dark Brown Highlight. Dark Brown Highlight is a 6, a 27, and a 2014. Let's break that down. You'll notice it's not a rooted color, but it's very dimensional. So it starts with a medium brown, and that brown to me looks really neutral. I think it is a splendid backdrop for this interesting highlight. So the highlights are what's going to tell the story here, because there are 3 different colors of highlights. The first color you're going to see is a 27. Now that 27 is more like a light auburn. And then the other highlights that you're going to see is an ash blonde, a light ash blonde highlight in there. In that, you can just see very fine highlights of that ash blonde. Very easy to pick out. And then you're gonna see some honey. So honey is more neutral, ash is cool, and a light auburn is warm, right? So what is this? I say it's neutral, but let me just say this. If you're out there and you oppose auburn in your brunettes, you're probably gonna see nothing but the auburn. That's just the way it goes, right? I really love this mixture. I think it's interesting. It's not too cool. It's not too warm. It's just kind of like that Goldilocks zone of neutral. So the next brunette we're gonna add to this comparison is back here on Mannequin E. This one is called Beverly Hills in the color Coolest Ash Brown. And that color code is an 814. So it's a nice cool medium brown. Does have a lot of hints of just an ash brown to it, and then it's going to have some cooler highlights. Now these highlights they appear to be more honey to me, and honey is more of a neutral color, but it just glistens like the sheen of really healthy human hair. You can't quite pick it out as a highlight because they're so fine and so well blended, and there's no root on this one either. So let's grab the final brunette we're going to compare today. This is Malibu in Mocha Maple Brown. Wow, this is a really warm one, isn't it? The color code on this is a 627, again, not rooted, but you can really see the difference in the browns here. This is a true chocolatey brown. It has a velvety kind of chestnut look to it, and it's very heavily highlighted, however, with a light auburn, and that light auburn is really going to warm up this color. So overall, I believe this is a warm brunette highlighted with auburn. Let's look at them side by side. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.
No.